Open the pattern like this. On the shoulder, measure 1.5 inches. We'll cut these parts out. After that, make the slash lines like this. The slash lines should look like this when you're done. Next, cut. Cut the slash lines like this. After cutting, you place it on another pattern paper and tape it down. While taping, make sure that they are evenly spaced. If you want the pleats to lay very flat, space with not less than 1.5 inches. Place it on your fabric and cut. Make sure you add sewing allowance around it. Cut this one too, don't forget to add sewing allowance. Next, mark the parts that will be pleated. I'm using pin to hold down the pleats. After that, I'll take it to the machine and sew. After pleating, it should look like this. We're going to attach this part like this. Okay, I've attached it and this is what it looks like. I also ironed it so that the pleats will lay flat. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. See you in my next one. Bye.